Hello student, today we will start exercise 8.2. A man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his original salary. Let original salary is rupees X. Increase percentage 10%. Now new salary X plus 10% of X. Take LCM. We have 11 by 10x in rupees. The salary is 1,54,000. Then his original salary is, solving, 10 goes to in numerator, 11 in denominator, 1,40,000 rupees. Next, sum number 2. On Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. What is the percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? Difference on Sunday, people went zoo 845. On Monday, 169. Difference 845 minus 169. These are 676. Decrease percentage. Difference by original into 100%. Cancel. %80. Next question, sum number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80% 80 article for rupees 2,400, sells them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. CP of 80 articles, CP of one article, profit in percent, SP, apply formula, CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100. Put the values. Solving. First we will multiply it. SP of one article is 34.8 rupees. Next one. Sum number 4. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repair. If it is sold for a profit of rupees 15%, find the selling price of the article. Formulas we already discussed in the previous videos. Overhead charges, total CP, add these two, profit percent. Now selling price of article. Same formula we will apply. Now I am going to put the values. Solving. 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 3s are. Now multiply. After multiplication, answer is 18,342.50. Sum number 5. A VCR and a TV were bought rupees 8,000 rupees each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. CP of VCR 8,000. Loss 4%. Selling price. Formula CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. Put the values. Now multiply. We have rupees 7,680. CP of TV also rupees 8,000. Profit 8%. SP. Apply formula. Now put the values. 8,000 100 plus 8 by 100. We have rupees 8,640. Total cost price of VCR and TV 16,000. Total SP rupees 16,340. There is a profit of rupees 320. Now profit percent. Profit by cost price into 100%. We have 2% profit on the whole transaction. Thank you.